I'm sure that you have heard about inbound marketing and have asked, what is it? Simply put, it's like marketing with a magnet instead of a megaphone. You attract people who want what you have. It's marketing based on content that generates people actually coming to you for more information. Outbound marketing has completely lost its edge. The average person sees anywhere from 3,000 to 20,000 ads per day. No wonder we get numb to them. No longer is it effective shouting at people all day long to get their attention. It's just nuts. Inbound marketing methods are always less expensive and more effective than outbound. Inbound marketing is 8 times more effective and the closing rate is 14.6% versus 1.7% from outbound efforts. 88% more consumers are conducting their own research and seeking their own information. So whenever they arrive at a compelling piece of information, they pay attention. Now, how is this done? Many social platforms are outbound marketing. You scream at others all day long and hope that someone will pay attention. Well, guess what? It's not happening. Plus, more and more people are not trusting the social networks as bad press is eroding away their effectiveness. Enter Markethive, a platform that works on the power of exponential marketing. When asked, members will work to promote your information through their networks. This practice has tentacles into infinity. On Markethive, there are a ton of programs to help you. Autoresponders, lead pages, campaign tools, blogs, and many more. And oh, by the way, did I tell you it's all free? All incredibly secure because it's driven by the blockchain. The videos on the site will explain much more. Just click on the link below or go to rsmarketingworks.com/MH, and I will personally guide you through the information.